Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If today is your first time stopping across my video, you are highly welcome. So if you want to know how I achieved this delicious yummy Isi Ewu stroke nkwobi, stay tuned to the end of this video. Yes guys. Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Mama. What's up? If you are my returning subscribers, you are highly welcome. So if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Is your girl Mama. What's up? So I do cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk video and more. And if you have any video suggestion, you can as well drop it at the comment section down below. I normally upload videos once in a week, weekly basis. It depends because I have kids, so it depends on my program on that week. So before I forget, if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly join the family. Touch that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload video, you'll be the first to be notified. In today's video I'm going to be making Isi Ewu. At the same time, I'm using cow leg to make this Isi Ewu because I'm expecting some visitors. So I will drop the recipe on the description box, and please feel free to share my video. And if you have any question, you can as well drop it at the comment section down below, and make sure you watch this video to the end. And don't forget to give me a like if you love what I do. Please guys, try to watch my video. If you don't want to watch, it's not by force to watch. You don't have to come and drop comments for me. If you don't want to watch, it's okay. A lot of people, they will just come and drop comments and they don't watch it. Please, let's learn how to support ourselves. You don't do somebody what you don't want them to do to you. So let's go straight to today's video, guys. Stay tuned and continue watching. This nkwobi, here are the recipe, the items I'm going to use. I have here goat's leg and goat's head. As you can see, this is the legs and this is the head. It's already washed and clean. So first of all, what I'm going to do, what I will do is I will just put the brains here and fold it. At the same time, I will add my Maggie seasoning. I will put the recipe on the description box. I use 2 taps of Maggies from cow brown and chicken brown. Now you will add your salt. So now I will put my onions. You just cut it big and slice it inside. I don't know if you are seeing it. I'm using 2 large onions. Yes guys. So right now you will just add water. Yes, you just add water to cover the meat for the boiling. So now I'm going to cover it to cook. Then our brain, the brain, we are going to put it inside, and boil it together. Yes guys. Same time as my food, my Isi Ewu is boiling, I'm enjoying myself here with some jollof rice. Yes guys. Right now I'm going to be using local calabash with this green pepper, and it's very sharp. I'm going to blend it with crayfish, and here is my oba. Local oil beans. That is what I'm going to use for this Isi Ewu. So stay tuned, guys. I'm going to blend this now with crayfish. Yes, guys. So now I have added my pepper inside. Right now I'm going to add my local calabash. I'm using 5 seeds. Then I will add my crayfish. It's already blend, but I love to blend it again together. Yes, guys. So I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to blend it. So guys, now we are going to check our goat head. Yeah, as you can see, it's boiling and it's ready. Yes guys. So the brain, I'm going to take it out. Yeah, so we are going to step this aside and start the next step. Continue watching, guys. So guys, right now I'm separating the meat. I'm removing it aside to a separate pot. Yeah, so right now I'm going to blend the brain, as you can see. Yeah, blend it together with the crayfish and the pepper, everything inside. So here is my Natron. It's called Potash, but in German language that is the name here. So I'm going to use it to do this ungo. So now I'm going to mix my potash. Here is a small water to mix it. So I will take the quantity I need and mix it together. As for me, I'm going to use the 1 sachet. I will put everything inside. Yes, guys. So now I'm going to mix it together. Yeah. Then after that, I step it aside. So now I will use the pot I used for the meat, that I boiled the meat. Yeah. At the same time, I will add my red palm oil to the quantity I want. Then now we are going to add the potash. So now I'm going to mix, so that you will get that what should I call it, that color of ungo or something. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but that's it. Guys, you can see the magic color. Yeah. So now I'm going to add my blended pepper, crayfish and what have you that I showed earlier inside. Is Maggie inside? Stop. This is not the whole bit same. I thought it was. Now I'm going to add my Maggie seasoning inside according to your taste. Yes. So you stir. Guys, you can see the color has changed already. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to add a little bit of water from the meat, the stock water. Yes. And stir again. So guys, I'm going to use these 2 large onions. What I'm going to do is I will slice one, then use one in between at the end. So stay tuned and continue watching. So now I'm going to add my chopped onions. I've just chopped one. So yes, and stir again. Oh my god, this color is so lovely. So now I'm going to be adding the meat. Yes, all the orishi inside. Yes, guys, please don't mind the noise. I have visitors, so and there are a lot of kids there. They are playing, so please pardon the noise. So guys, now what we are going to do is to stir. You stir gently, stir it very well. Oh, you can see how yummy it's already looking. Wow, oh my goodness, I feel like grabbing all this now. I can't wait to have a taste of this. Guys, if you haven't tried this is a very good method of Isi Ewu. In this kind of Isi Ewu, when you finish it with what's it called, palm wine. Ha! In my village those days, that's how we used to enjoy it. Oh my god, you just forget your sorrow. Don't mind me, I'm being silly. You will test for seasoning and see if your seasoning is okay. Yeah, my seasoning is okay. So guys, you just I just added a small bit of Maggie seasoning. Yes, at this moment you will check your seasoning if it's okay. If it's not okay, you add salt, you add Maggie, whichever one you want to add, you add it. Yes. So now we are going to cook. We'll put it on the fire to boil a bit. Yes. Then, so we are going to cover it, let it steam with the same pot. Yes guys, so now we are going to check it and see how it's boiling. As you can see guys, it's boiling. Yes, you stir again. So right now I'm going to add my oma, which is oil beans seed. So you are going to stir now. Oh my god, this is really looking very delicious. Is this not lovely? Wow, I can't wait to have a taste of this Isi Ewu stroke nkwabi. My husband will say nkwabi. So I'm going to put a little bit of onions, sliced chopped onions, sorry guys, for it to be a little bit flavored. Then I stir again. So now I just slice my Utazi leaf. Yes, my Utazi leaf, to get that small bitter taste. Oh my god, guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, what are you waiting for? Just give it a try and you will not regret it. You will not even regret knowing Mama What's Up channel. Just try it. I believe me, you will love it. This is so yummy, very tasty. Yes guys. So guys, I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you like what you just watched, please, why don't you give me a big thumbs up? And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly join the family by clicking that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you will be among the first to get my notification. Yeah, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are awesome. You guys are wonderful. May God bless you all. So see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.
Yo.